Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be utilizing Postman to send an API call towards Call Manager. This is in order to update directory numbers. Although very powerful, the Bulk Administration Tool, or BAT, does have limitations. For the test today, we're going to be utilizing Call Manager version 15. Let us verify some of the directory numbers that are currently configured in the system. For today's test, we're going to be updating the first 5 directory numbers that begin with 60. Now we can go verify our API call in Postman. We have the SOAP envelope referencing version 15. We also have 2 variables defined, the old DN and the new DN. These are both going to be seeded from our CSV file. This will match on the old DN variable and with the partition dcloud partition. Afterwards, it will update to the new DN variable, keeping the existing dcloud partition. Ensure to have your headers defined, your SOAP action, also referencing version 15, as well as the content type set to application or JavaScript. Additionally, do not forget to have your authentication parameters defined with a user that has API access and rights to Call Manager. The variables that are defined in this API call also have to be defined in your environment, as we can see here. Let us go verify the CSV file. The CSV file has 2 columns, defining the old DN and new DN. And with that, we can go back to Postman and prepare to run this script. I will create a new runner tab. What we can do is select our file, which has the CSV columns we just looked at. We can insert a delay. This is in order to protect the server if we are updating thousands or tens of thousands in our production environment, as to not overrun the server. We can modify any advanced settings here, and we can also preview the data. There will be 5 iterations, changing it from old DN to new DN. We can drag over our API call to the run order, and we can run update line. We can see here we're getting 200 OKs. If there were any issues, they would be displayed here. We can go verify this was successful in Call Manager. If I refresh this page, the amount of DNs has decreased. We can do a new search with the numbers that we wanted to migrate to, and we can see they're updated here. I hope this has been informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing.